Tilted is your go-to platform for integrating Web3 technology into your favorite games and applications. Whether you're here to play, create, or explore, Tilted offers you the tools and community to elevate your digital experience. Getting started is easy. Head over to tilted.syz and click on Sign Up. Fill in your details, verify your email, and you're all set. Already have an account? Just log in with your credentials. Welcome to your Tilted dashboard, your central hub for everything Web3. Here you can access games, manage your assets, visit the marketplace, and customize your profile. Let's take a closer look at each section. Ready to play. Choose from a variety of games designed to integrate real-world assets with engaging gameplay. Simply select your game, click Play, and dive into the Web3 experience. Managing your digital assets. Tilted allows you to collect, trade, and manage your digital assets seamlessly. View your collection, assess the value, and trade with others in the community. Remember, your assets aren't just for show, they hold real value. Using the marketplace. The Tilted Marketplace is where you can buy, sell, and trade digital assets with ease. Use the search filters to find exactly what you need or explore new items to add to your collection. Customizing your profile. Make your Tilted experience unique by customizing your profile. Add a cool avatar, write a bio, and show the community who you are. Your profile is your digital identity in the Tilted universe. Advanced features and tips. Want to get the most out of Tilted? Utilize our advanced features like cross-game identities, powered by DeepIn technology, to ensure a seamless experience across different games. Tip: regularly check the marketplace for exclusive deals. Call to action. Now that you know the basics, it's time to dive in. Visit tilted.syz to start playing, trading, and exploring the Web3 world with Tilted. Don't forget to follow us on social media for updates and tips.